Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Google Forms "This site can't be reached". Seeing "This site can't be reached" error while opening Google Forms, this issue is usually caused by internet connectivity problems, incorrect URLs, or browser-related issues, and here's how to fix it. Let's follow these few simple steps. The first step is to check your internet connection. Ensure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Or you can also restart your router or switch to a different network to see if the issue persists. Just by your device configuration. Like you see here, I'm using Windows, so I can check the Wi-Fi settings or the Ethernet settings. The second step is to verify the form's link. And to do that, double check the form's URL for typos. Try opening the link in incognito mode or a different browser. Let's go for the Google Forms and copy the link. After you copy the link, make sure you go to an incognito mode and then paste the link and check for errors in the URL. As you can see here, there's no URL errors and the form works. The third step is to clear browser cache and cookies. Now in Chrome or Brave, go to settings by clicking on the three horizontal lines and then go to privacy and security. Let's look for it. Or we can go to just here and look for delete browsing data, and here choose cookies and cache, and then click on delete data to confirm the option. The fourth step is to disable VPN or proxy. Now if you're using a VPN, try disabling it, as this may block access to Google Forms. And for the fifth step is to check Google service status. And to do that, visit Google Workspace status dashboard to check if Google Form is down. Now as for the sixth and final step, restart your device and try again. To do that, just restart your computer or phone and attempt to access the form again. This usually works. And that's it for today's tutorial. Your Google Forms should now load properly. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.